Previously we have seen count and COUNTIF function. In this video we will see COUNTIF function in Excel. COUNTIF function counts the number of cells meeting your condition. COUNTIF only supports one condition. Alright, let's see how COUNTIF works on different types of data. Type equal to COUNTIF, specify range, okay, then criteria. For example, I want to find out how many products are type 2. So I will just type 2 and then press enter. It is showing 2 because there are 2 cells that contain number 2. Alright, if I change this number to 2, as you can see the formula has updated the result to 3. Okay, now let's try on this column. COUNTIF, select the range. Now I don't want to specify criteria manually. I want to select a cell. So you can also do that. Just click on the cell, press enter. It is showing 3 because there are 3 cells with this product code. You can also use logical operators in the criteria of this function. So what does that mean? Select the range first. In criteria, here you need to type double quotes. In it you can specify your condition. Alright, for numbers it's okay if you don't use double quotes, but here you have to use double quotes. For example, quantity greater than 50. Okay, so just use this operator and 50, then complete the double quotes and press enter. It has written 2 because 70 and 90 are greater than 50. Okay, if I change this condition to 40, see it has updated to 3. So that's how this formula works. Okay, you can also use less than operator here and then it will return 1 if I want to count the cells with the certain text. Let me show you how you can do that. I want to count cells with OK. So in double quotes just type OK and press enter. Okay, it has written 3. So it also works on text. You can specify any kind of condition. Here you can see there is a date. So what if you want to specify date as a criteria? In that case, you can directly select this cell by clicking like this, or if you want to specify your own date, then you can use date function. Date, then type the year, then month, for example July, and then day. Okay, I am typing 1st July 2020. So it is showing 0 because I have specified condition that in this range find out count of the cells which contain this date. Since there is only one date which is 2nd July and I have specified 1 July, that's why it is showing 0. If I change it to 2, 2nd July, then it will show 1. Alright, you can also do like this. Change this to 1 and you can use logical operator in double quotes greater than and then ampersand, that is and. So if you want to use logical operator with function, then you have to use this ampersand. Okay, now just press enter and it will show 1 because this date is greater than 1st July. So I have used this criteria. Alright, remember that COUNTIF function only supports one condition, but you can use AND function inside it. I hope you like this video. See you in next video.